I'm Daniel Nix. I'm the Utilities Operations Manager for the City of Wichita Falls, and you're at the Cypress Drinking Water Plant here in Wichita Falls. Some of the things that we've done to lower conservation through this drought in Wichita Falls was activating our drought plan, which had 4 stages in it. We're in the process of developing a 5th stage right now, and starting to restrict the non-essential uses of water through that plan. The first stage was voluntary. Second stage was mandatory, where we start restricting your irrigation to 1 day a week, and you can't water during the heat of the day. Stage 3 tightened that up a little bit. 1 day a week still for irrigation, but you can only water from midnight to 5 a.m. if you've got an automatic sprinkler. And if you've got a hose-end oscillating sprinkler, you can only irrigate from 8 p.m. to midnight on your day. And stage 4, which we went into in November of 2013, was a complete ban on outside irrigation. We've seen quite a bit of reduction through that. Stage 2, we conserved about 500 million gallons worth of water during the 9-month period that we were in stage 2 restrictions. The 9-month period that we were in stage 3, we actually conserved 2 billion gallons worth of water. And we're about 3 months into stage 4. And we're very curious to see what the conservation will be as we start to enter the irrigation season this March, April, and May. So this gap here really represents what the citizens of Wichita Falls learned and what they kept implementing as we got more water. One of the things that we decided that we were going to explore as we went into this drought, and it really came out of the last drought in the late 90s, was the potential of wastewater reuse, either indirect potable or direct potable. For the emergency that we're going through during this drought, we've elected to go with an emergency direct potable reuse. It was the quickest way to get water back into the system. We've evaluated the wastewater first off to see what quality the plant was producing. Whereas if we filtered these and sent them off, it'd take about a week or 2 to get the results back. With this unit, we can get the results back in 20 minutes. So we've been doing a lot of work with this. And then we looked at the quantity. Is there enough there with this drought? Because we typically treated around 10 million gallons a day through the wastewater plant. But with the drought and the conservation, that's dropped to about 8 to 8.5 million gallons a day. So we wanted to make sure that that was enough to be worth our while. Turns out that it was. And so we looked at our treatment processes. Everything was already on site. We did not have to build new facilities. We just had to connect the wastewater plant to the water treatment plant. And so we constructed a 13-mile pipeline to connect the 2 plants. And working with the state of Texas, we are currently verifying that the plant will do what we said that it would do in our concept paper. So we are doing the testing now, the analysis through the different processes. We are running it through microfiltration, reverse osmosis. We then blend that 50% with lake water. And then we run it through that 50-50 blend through a conventional plant. So this water really is getting treated about 4 times. It's getting treated once at the wastewater plant, once through microfiltration, once through reverse osmosis, and then a final treatment through a conventional plant.